Today is August 1st. I am garden in Zone 6B. This is the Frugal Gardener Strikes Back. It has been a challenging summer. I did not see any bees until around July the 1st or the 2nd. The temperatures have been soaring. From May on, we have had one heat wave after another. And on top of that, it started raining and raining. We've had thunderstorms. We've had all sorts of crazy weather. It has been challenging, to say the least, to try and garden. Normally we get 4 inches of rain in May. 4 inches of rain in June and 4 inches in July. So usually a total of 8 inches. Well, they just calculated how much rain we've gotten in the last 2 months. It's nowhere near 8 inches. It's actually 16. So it has wreaked havoc on my garden. It's wreaked havoc on certain things that I've planted. Yes, a lot of things have gone well, have gone my way, but this is an example of things that did not go well. This is supposed to be my cantaloupe, and as you can see, that did not work out. This is where last year I got roughly 40 cucumbers. A couple of years ago, I got 57 cucumbers out of this. Thus far, I have gotten 3. So this gives you an idea of what I had to deal with. And over here was my squash. I had over 40 squash blossoms and not one squash. Am I deterred? No. It is August the 1st. I am going to replant. I am going to replant everything that I lost and then some. My first frost date, well, the average for a frost date is October the 17th. So I still have plenty of time. I have already begun the process of replanting. I'm going to rip this out. I have a bag of compost that I was saving, but my son and my nephew, the frugal nephew, when they cleared out the garden, the garage, they broke the bag open, so I'm going to use that. I also have some Epsom salt left over. I have a couple of things that I'm going to use because all of my nutrients have been depleted. So at this point, I'm going to get started. I will keep you guys posted. This is far from over. I'm going to recoup what I lost by starting over. And as always, I will keep you guys posted. This is the Frugal Gardener. Please subscribe. And remember what I always tell you, when you grow your own food, you'll always know where it comes from. I'll see you in a few days.